Hi Luzon Spartans, magandang hapon. Today is July 13, 2016. Okay, ngayong hapon po, nagkaroon kami ng, of course, meeting about sa nagiging projection namin every day at kung ano yung naging result siya at the end of the day. So, here, Malolos, kayo ng umaga nagkaroon kami ng projection na 5 keyword and 180,000 na collection. At the end of the day, ito po yung naging result namin. So, meron po kaming 5 keyword, isang performing loan, isang partial payment, with a total collection of 201,220 pesos. Ibig sabihin na hit po namin yung aming projection sa keyword, and of course, nag-over target kami dun sa collection. Ayan. So, just to give you an update as of July 13 performance, ayan po, Richard, Jason, and Jojo. And ako with a 315,660 na collection. Jason, 282,054 pesos. Followed by Jojo, 400,148 pesos. Leading sa keyword is Jojo with 13 keyword. And Jason, Richard with 9 keyword. Okay? And of course, eto, kung ang Pampanga may trivia at ang Kalamba may hugot, ang Malolos mag-iiwan po ng katagang, ang taong pangit sa edit kumakapit.